Have I mentioned down here? Yeah, so I've gotten a job. Yeah, I've gotten a job here. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to our first vlog with this beautiful camera. So guys, good morning guys, and welcome to another vlog. So today is going to be quite busy for me, I won't lie. I would just say like this weekend or this vlog in general is going to be quite busy for me because I need to prepare. I need to prepare for, I don't know if I mentioned, have I mentioned down here? Have I mentioned down here? Yeah, so I've gotten a job. Yeah, I've gotten a job here. Like, look at me, just saying it casually, but yeah. And I will be resuming work on Monday. That's in like 2 days. Today is Saturday, so I need to just do a lot of, you know, meal prepping. And also, so today, first thing I want to do now this morning is to unbox my air fryer. Oh my, why do I keep on calling it air fryer? I want to unbox my Halogen oven. And yeah, and I think I will step out later to go get some food that I just need to, you know, keep in the house because I'll be going to work now. Although the job is hybrid, but for the first 1 month I will be like in training. So yeah, for the first 1 month I'll have to be going to work like every day, but after training to be hybrid, so sometimes at work, sometimes at home. And I think I might also cook. I'm thinking of cooking moinmoin, but without beans. I've been hearing of this lentils moinmoin. And lentils is pretty cheap here, and beans is not that cheap. So I'm thinking of, you know, stepping out, go get food, go get that lentils and try that lentils moinmoin, and also use that moinmoin pouch I got from Amazon. I just show you guys how I use it. So yeah, that's it guys. So enough talking. Like, I'll be so busy that I'm not sure I'll be coming on here to talk so much, but y'all will just, you know, watch me carry on with my day, okay?
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends. Circumstances made it so that I'll never see their faces, except for on the internet, where I'll never really know what's going on behind their smiles. I mean, I guess I could check in once in a while, but those friends are growing up, and there's no time for us to pretend we'd stay in touch, 'cause everybody knows it will never be the same. We move on and people change. Yeah, those friends are growing up, and I wanna tell them the reason why I'll never get to see them, but clearly they don't need to know. Still on my phone, I'll look back at the pictures and I'll reminisce when
I am in love with this air fryer, although I've not used it yet, but I've turned it on and it works. It produced a lot of heat though, like the heat was very hot, so I guess that's good. Can't wait to try it. And as you can see guys, it's very, very big. Let me see if I can open the inside. As you can see, this is the inside. It's very, very, very big. Like you can fry anything, you can bake like a whole cake in this. So yeah, hey guys, so I just quickly want to run to like one Asian shop really close to me. I need to get I think I want to make that moinmoin I spoke about with lentils. So I'll go to that Asian shop to get the red split lentils. I also need to get like eggs, bread, and I think I also want to make okra soup. Yeah, I just want to, you know, meal prep. So I have food in the house, food prepared already in the house when I'm, you know, off for work. And yeah, let's go to the Asian store. I'm not sure I'll be going with this camera. I'm not that, you know, bold yet to hold the camera in public, so I'll be vlogging with my phone when I step out. Okay, see you guys later.
There are things in my past I don't wanna remember. There are times in my life I'd rather forget. But maybe one day when my mind goes and I start to lose everything I know, maybe then I wouldn't take it all for granted. But if we ever make it to those days, I hope I never will forget your face. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. Do I one thing that I can't afford to lose? 'Cause even if you're gonna be my only memory, then maybe that's fine with me. 'Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember you. Can't remember you. Oh. There are places I go when I need somewhere quiet. There are days when I think no one else understands. I know you see all my feelings, even when I try my best to conceal things. Baby, I love you to the end of time, yeah. But if we ever make it to those days, I pray to God I don't forget your face. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. Do I one thing that I can't afford to lose? 'Cause even if you're gonna be my only memory.
So guys, I forgot to mention something for the red lentils. Let me show you. I know at the store when I went to get them, I showed you one that was about, I think, 1 kg, and I think it went for about £2 something. But when I was about leaving, I came across this one. This is, you know, this is what it looks like. And this one is actually 2 kg, and it's also the same price with the other brand that was 1 kg. So I dropped that one and I took this. So what I'm going to do now, I want to make the moinmoin now. So I watched some recipes on YouTube, and I saw that you're supposed to soak this for about 15 minutes. Okay, so I want to do that now. I think I'll be using like maybe 3 cups. I'm not so sure because I'm not used to this. Yeah, so I think I'll be using like 3 cups of this to make the moinmoin. I don't know if that's too small or too much, I don't even know. But for beans, if I want to make moinmoin, I normally use around 3 cups too. So yeah, I will just do the same thing with this one. Yeah, so that's it. Let's get back to cooking, okay?
There are things in my past I don't wanna remember. There are times in my life I'd rather forget. But maybe one day when my mind goes and I start to lose everything I know, maybe then I wouldn't take it all for granted. But if we ever make it to those days, I hope I never will forget your face. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. You are one thing that I can't afford to lose. 'Cause even if you're gonna be my only memory, then maybe that's fine with me. 'Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember you. Can't remember you. Oh. There are places I go when I need somewhere quiet. There are days when I think no one else understands. I know you see all my feelings, even when I try my best to conceal things. Baby, I love you to the end of time, yeah. But if we ever make it to those days, I pray to God I don't forget your face. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. You are one thing that I can't afford to lose.
So guys, I am done washing all these pouches. I had to, you know, open them up. This is how you open them. I had to open them up, and yeah, this is what I'll be using for the moinmoin. Guys, take a good look at this butter. Like, this is what the moinmoin butter looks like up close. As you can see, like, it looks so much like beans. Honestly, it looks so much like beans. I am so excited, guys, and it tastes really good because I have also like seasoned it. And this is all the this is also the eggs. I had to slice up the eggs and also debone the fish off camera so that wouldn't, you know, waste our time.
I pray to God I don't forget your face. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. You are one thing that I can't afford to lose. 'Cause even if you're gonna be my only memory, then baby that's fine with me. 'Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember you. Yeah. If I can't remember you. Maybe I'm looking too far ahead. I don't wanna ever have to wonder if I said that you are mine forever, even when forever ends. Yeah, I need you to remember in case I do forget. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. So don't let me, no, don't let me forget you too. 'Cause even if you're gonna be my only memory, then baby that's perfectly fine with me. 'Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember you. Yeah. If I can't remember you. Oh.
Hey guys, so your girl is done with the moinmoin, and yeah, I just left it on there now to cook. So it's cooking. I think I'll leave it for about 40 minutes and we'll come back to check what it looks like. And yeah, I just want to wash up all the plates. Yeah, I just want to wash up all the plates and just tidy the kitchen up. I have the moin over here, so I want to pop it open now so we can see what it looks like and also, you know, taste like. I have a feeling it's going to be very nice. Honestly, this formed very well, so let's just open this, okay? So guys, let me just taste this. Like, it looks so good. Guys, it tastes so much like beans. Oh my god. This is really good. Guys, if you can get lentils, you can use it for moinmoin and akara, because the stress of beans can be a lot, honestly. So yeah, and it was very easy to cook it. Also with the what's it called, also using the moinmoin pouch, it was very okay. I am obsessed with this moinmoin, honestly. The only thing is that I should have added more, maybe more pepper or tatache for the color to just make it a bit, you know, red, but it's actually not that bad. Guys, I hope you're able to learn something. You don't have to get beans to make moinmoin. As for the rest, when we eat the one we need to eat today, the rest I will just throw the rest in the freezer. Okay, so that's how I do my moinmoin. I like to do it in bulk. I throw the rest in the freezer, and whenever I want to eat, I just take one out and just leave it to defrost. Then I pop it in I put it in like a small pot to just warm it up for like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, that's how I take my moinmoin. And yeah, that's how I eat my moinmoin anytime I want to eat it. Make in bulk. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday. I think today is 14th of May. Good morning, happy Sunday. And we're just heading to church now. And yeah, I think from church we'll stop at maybe McDonald's to just get food because we've not eaten. We're just rushing to church now, and yeah, see you all later. I hope you all are doing fine.
Resident of a mansion with homes I've never mentioned, and rooms that I don't think I've ever seen. Skeletons in the closet with shirts I haven't worn yet, and clothes I've worn since I was 17. Close the door and bolt it shut, 'cause you're the only one I trust. What can I do to help you feel the same for me? Baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt. Shrouded in all your secrets, with with walls to hide your weakness, a resolute but hopeless mystery. But I can see through the surface. You're alone to hide your loneliness, and that look is so an awful lot like me. So baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt. So long after the days we are pushing them daisies, I will be yours. The thorns on the roses, I may never know if I've seen them all, but I'll give you all of me, unreservedly, yeah. Baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and give you all I am, 'cause only you could understand what I have felt. I put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt.
Guys, I am done prepping for the rice. I'm just gonna pop this in the fridge. First of all, allow this to cool down because it's still a bit hot. I'll allow it to cool down, then pop it in the fridge, and yeah, we're done for the day, okay? Oh my god, just take a look at me. I feel so tired right now. So today I'm done for the day and I just want to go sleep and prepare for the big day tomorrow, okay? Bye guys, good night. I'm all done now. I plan on leaving by 6:30, but it's like 6:35 now, so I need to leave soon. Let me just pop on my earrings. Although I was told to come by 8:30, that's like, I still have like 2 hours, but I really want to leave early because of all these buses. One thing about these buses is that you can have your plan, but these buses will have their own plan, honestly. and I don't want to take chances because the buses, they come every 30 minutes. So if you miss the bus, you have to wait like another 30 minutes, okay? So yeah, I have to take 2 buses to work. One from here to Leeds City Center, and the other one from the city center to the office. And even when I get to the bus stop close to my office, I still have to like trek for like another 5 minutes. So I need to leave early. And yeah, sometimes even when you see a bus coming, probably when the bus is like 2 minutes close, you can see that the bus will just get cancelled. So it's good to always like leave very, very early if you plan on getting somewhere, you know, on time while using the bus. So yeah, I just want to leave now. Popped on my earring. I was thinking of doing makeup, but guys, I am cramping so bad now, and I don't think I even have that strength to do my makeup. So yeah, I am done. Also, let me also pop on my perfume. I'm using this perfume by Quima. Love, love, love so much. I've been using this perfume since when I was in Nigeria. I don't know where I can find this particular perfume because I really, really, really love it. Let me show you guys my fit. Okay, so I'm wearing this sweater from Everything £5. I had to order like a lot of clothes from one online store. I'm not sure if I have done an unboxing. I don't know, I'm not sure. That is the box over there. I don't know if you guys can see the box. I still have the box there and so many other clothes in it, and that's because I have not yet done an unboxing, but I plan to do that during this week. So it's from Everything £5. It's a website that everything they sell on there £5. So I got this sweater. This sweater was for £5, and I'm also wearing a shoe I got from them, also £5. So you guys should stay tuned for that video if the video haven't, you know, been up already. Wearing this sweater from Everything £5. I'm wearing my blue jeans from Yaba Market and I'm also wearing this work shoe. Just wearing this shoe from also Everything £5, and I also just wore socks because it's pretty cold outside. Yep. Make sure my things. Just make sure everything. I'm also holding this bag, guys. When I tell you this bag here, I've had this bag for a while, and I think I got it like 2 months ago. I remember going to Primark, and that was when I was, you know, obviously looking for a job, and I was like, see, I want to prophesy. I just want to, you know, prophesy. And I went to Primark to go get a work bag. Honestly, I was like, God, please, I need a job. How excited I am. So I have my work bag from Primark and my lunchbox. Okay, I ordered this lunchbox on Amazon. This is what it looks like, and I like the fact that it also has a strap, so I can, you know, hold it like this. And yeah, we're done. Bye guys. I won't be taking my camera out, obviously. I will be vlogging the rest with my phone.
Summer in the city, the block is hot. Stuck in the metropole, but I'm running the ops. Gotta survive with the sweat on my face. Liberate your mind till your mind's on lace.
Hey guys, so apparently, you see why I say it's good to leave early, honestly, because when I left the house and I went to the bus stop really close to my house, I saw that the bus that would normally come to, you know, the bus stop really close to my place was not available. You see why I say just leave early regardless, because sometimes all these buses will just mess you up. So I checked on the map and I saw that I have to walk like 15 minutes to another bus stop, and yeah, to catch another bus. But the good thing about this route is that if I get this bus, I won't be taking 2 buses anymore to work. So when I trek 15 minutes to another bus stop to go catch another bus, I will only be taking 1 bus straight to my office, which is actually not bad. Like, I don't mind doing this like, I don't mind doing this as like an exercise every day. Checking 15 minutes before, you know, catching a bus and going to work. So yeah, so when I get to the bus stop, I will let you know. Okay.
Can't even hang my head cause they want it home. I am no Neil, but we are the one. We feeling the streets, but we ain't got no visa. We been enslaving the sun as your teacher. Oh, it's been a long summer. Oh, it's been a long summer. Oh, it's been a long summer. Oh, it's
Hey guys, I am back home. It's actually night. It's been a long day, and by the way, I'm not sure I'll be vlogging work. So yeah, I won't be vlogging. If you were expecting that, I won't be doing that. So yeah, I'm back home. I've been sleeping for hours, guys. You won't even believe that. Like, today was so intense, the training, and it was very physically intense because, you know, we had to do, you know, registration. We also had to another thing that drained my energy was like my IT setup. I had to, you know, set that up. I also had to, you know, bring home my, you know, IT equipment and you know, just build my home office. So that was what took like a lot of my strength, carrying monitors and all. So yeah, and immediately after doing that, I knocked off. Like, I literally slept off. So I just woke up now, like 10. I got back home by 5, and I've been sleeping like 5 hours. Like, that's how intense. And actually, that time of the month, so I'm just not even in the mood. So yeah, that is it about the vlog. I think this is where I'm going to be ending this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys have been saying joy, no vlog. I've brought vlog for you guys now, and I hope you guys, you know, enjoyed this one. And until I see you guys next time, bye.